can see here, this is the VidIQ application here that I've used for quite some time, and this application pretty much helps you to grow your YouTube channel, and you'd have to get a subscription to pretty much connect your YouTube channels and so forth. So once your YouTube channel is pretty much connected, you'll be able to use their features and pretty much everything that they offer in their application. You have the find trending keywords option. If you do tap on it, you'll be able to find the best keyword based on what you enter. You can tap on the search option at the top here. Let's say for example cartoon or cat, let's say for example this, and it will pretty much find the best keyword for you to use. You can find related keywords as well. You can find matching terms, and can find as well questions which you can ask and pretty much which people ask, and you do receive keywords as it relates to that. As well, you can see trending videos as it relates to that keyword. So very good as well. And if I do go back and tap on the three lines over here, you have the coaching option. This option here really pretty much helps you in building your YouTube channel. You can let them audit your channel through this section here. You can let them give you a review based on your channel. Let them ask them how you can get more views, and they will give you a reply based on your channel. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And in the thumbnail section down here, and this is pretty much where you go to generate your thumbnails with this application. Although I would say the thumbnail generation for this section here is not very good, but you can give it a try, as you can see here, but it's not that good, but you can give it a try, guys. But anyways, you have the optimization section here, where this pretty much helps you select the best title and the best thumbnail, and as well it will pretty much go in the thumbnail section to generate the thumbnail for you, which is suited best for the video, and it will give you a rating based on how good your thumbnail is. And obviously 100% means your thumbnail is very good, or 90, and you know already. And as well, you can tap on the generate score to see how good your thumbnail and your title is. So if I do tap on, let's say for example this video here, this is pretty much the title of the video, and here you can see other titles which you can use to get a better rating. Currently my current title is 59, and if I use this one here, I'll be able to get a 71% rating, which is very good. So you can just tap on this option here, tap on the publish option, and do make sure you do give VidIQ access to your channel, not fully access, but it will ask you authorization to post titles on your behalf, so you can pretty much edit it within this application here. As you can see here, the thumbnail is pretty much, the title is pretty much changed, as you can see here. So down here you have the keywords tool. As I said before, I've already reviewed this section, and as well you have the idea section. So this pretty much gives you some random suggestions where you can create videos based on these topics, and you can go ahead and save it. You can either swipe it over here to save it, or dismiss it if you think that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this one here. If you don't think it's gonna work, you can pretty much go in the dismiss section. So that's really pretty much it for that. And here you can tap on the show related videos based on this here. So as you can see here, will show related videos as relates to this. So very easy to use tool here, which can help you grow with your YouTube channel. And as well, you can go in your save section and pretty much see all the saved ideas that the VidIQ have given you, and as well the dismissed ones, where you can as well check on maybe you have mistakenly dismissed something that you may want. You can go back into this section here and pretty much check it out. So that's really pretty much it for that there. Now the competitor option over here, when you tap on the three lines, you can tap on this option here and we'll check other channels that are similar to you, their top videos and so forth, and see what's performing best or on their channel. So very good tool for checking out your competitors as well, not just helping you grow on YouTube. And for the subscription section, it will keep a track as it relates to your subscription. Nothing much for that, as you can see there. So very powerful tool as it relates to their subscription. You can tap on the plans option, just tap on the 3 lines over there, and the plan options you can see here. I'm currently on the Boost Plan 1. You can tap on the manage subscription section. Here you pretty much can see your plan is currently cancelled and so forth. But anyways, be able to show you their subscription page if I haven't subscribed or anything that way. Because I'm subscribed to their plan, I won't be able to show you. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. And they do give you on the home screen option, they give you a quick rundown as it relates to YouTube, everything as it relates to YouTube, the YouTube algorithm and support and key for YouTube success. And do make sure you go through these. Don't be like me and don't go through these. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see you again and build. See you in the next one.